from London West, London Fanshawe.
Speaker, my question is for the Minister of Correctional Services. I've been asking this government to take—
Stop the clock. Second time for the Minister of Children and Youth Services. Please put your question.
I've been asking this government to take action on the problems faced by Elgin Middlesex Detention Centre for years now. From overcrowding to lack of supports for correctional officers, this government has remained silent, and now one man is dead and another is in critical condition due to a drug overdose. Unfortunately, the problems at EMDC are not isolated incidents. There have been multiple overdose deaths in several institutions, most recently 5 overdoses in Hamilton. Minister, what does it take for this government to keep drugs from entering and killing inmates in our provincial jails?
Thank you.
Thank you, Speaker. Thank you, Speaker, and thank the member opposite for the question. What I can say to the member is we're the first jurisdiction in this country that is putting full-body scanners in our 26 institutions. In Hamilton, one is already operational. The member is referring to overdoses there. In London, there's not one operational yet, but there will be one. And what I can say is that there were 2 inmates that were taken to hospital. One individual passed away at the hospital. The ministry takes any death in custody very seriously, and it's being investigated by the Office of the Chief Coroner as well as the police. Speaker, we are continuing to make those important investments. In fact, at the Elgin Middlesex Detention Centre, there are 72 additional staff since 2013, mental health nurses, and 7 full-time nurses have been hired. 24-hour nursing coverage is in place, Speaker, and it is helping to improve circumstances at this particular location.
Supplementary.
Speaker, since 2007, there have been 8 deaths at the Elgin Middlesex Detention Centre located in London, and yet there is a continued failure on behalf of this government to implement the recommendation of the coroner's juries, previously convened to review past deaths. My question: when is the government planning on implementing the past recommendations that have been issued by the coroner's juries, recommendations that may have saved lives of Jamie High and prevented this latest tragedy?
Thank you.
Speaker, we are acting to do everything we can to ensure we reduce any type of contraband entering our jails. There are instances, obviously, and the member highlights that, where that is happening, but we are also the first jurisdiction in this country, Speaker, to put full-body scanners into our institutions. We have invested in the Regional Intermittent Centre in London, in the member's area, $9.3 million, 112 beds. I was there recently for the opening, Speaker. That helps to significantly reduce contraband with individuals who are serving sentences on the weekend. We've added 72 staff, more nurses, 357 security cameras at this particular location. Speaker, we're doing everything we can to make the investments in this area and reduce those types of incidents. Thank you.